in this video I'm gonna show you how to prepare your room for fall. As you can see, I've already started. Fall candles are the best way to get into the fall mood. Especially scented candles. I really love when my candles just smell very nice. I do have to be careful with my candles because I'm a very clumsy person and I don't want to burn my house down. But fall candles are just really cute and they just make everything more cozy. I really love cozy blankets. I got this one from my mom 2 years ago and I always put it on my bed in the fall time to make it more cozy, more warm, and it invites me to go to bed early, which is what I need. Also, you can change your bed sheets. I have really colorful ones in the summer, but in the fall time I have more white and black just to make it more fall-ish and cozy.
So busy, and all we were doing was making nice, delicious coffee on the street, no branding, on purpose no branding, because we didn't want any barriers. There was no door, no windows. People could walk into the espresso machine, see what we were doing.
The most extra way to make your room look cozy is to have fairy lights. I have these fairy lights, they're 4 meters long and I got them from the Action. I don't know if they're still selling these, but I really like them and they just brighten up your room, literally.
I need you so, 'cause right now you know.
Of course, your room is not ready if you don't have pumpkins. You can have real ones, you can have fake ones. I prefer fake ones because I can use them every year. But if you want a real one, go ahead. I have 4 pumpkins and this one is my favorite. You touch me with your medication. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And I will link a playlist down below with all my fall videos and DIY videos, so you can check that out as well if you like. If you're not subscribed already, I make DIY and aesthetic videos every single Sunday. So if you want to stay tuned, just click the subscribe button down below to be notified. Thank you so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!